Hello everyone, my name is Devakshan Patel and today I am going to show my exploratory data analysis on a dataset containing data related to AI related jobs. So I have the CSV file which contains data such as job title, company type, industry, country, minimum maximum salary, experience, etc. So I have performed an exploratory data analysis on this CSV file. To begin with the summary of the dataset, this dataset consists of 14 rows and 50,000 rows. And I have first of all, I have to import all the libraries that was needed in this EDA. The libraries consist of Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. I have imported the data from this CSV file into this notebook through the Pandas function called pandas.read CSV, and I stored it in this variable df. Then the first step of performing an EDA was to clean the dataset, which consists of removing the null values. Now, fortunately, this dataset didn't have any null values. The important step which I thought would be helpful was to add an average column in this dataset. So I have used the maximum and minimum salary and divided by 2 to get a rough estimate of the average salary. Now I have shown some value counts of some of the columns in the data such as job titles. Most of the jobs were of MLOps engineer and AI researcher. Most of them were in the tech industry followed by healthcare industry, and most of them were placed in UK, India, Germany, followed by Canada, Australia, and USA. Now I am this data might be confusing, and it would be easier to visualize it using some plots. I have used Matplotlib and Seaborn plots to make it more easier to visualize. So as you can see, I have made a pie chart of all the job distribution. Looking at this value, you might not be able to figure out the distribution among themselves. But in this pie chart, as you can see, 16.9%, that is the maximum amount of job titles for of MLOps engineer, followed by data scientist and AI researcher, which consists of 16.8%. And country-wise distribution, you can see the 60.9% of jobs were based in UK, which are followed by India and Germany. Now I have made many such plots, which makes it easier for us to visualize the data given in this data set. Now after performing all of it, I have came up with some of these key insights, such as the minimum experience needed to get this AI related job was around 2 years. The salary in this job ranges from 50,000 to 180,000 US dollars, and stats which I already show you about that the maximum jobs are MLOps engineer. Most of the jobs were in tech industry and were based in UK. So this was it from my side. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.